Hi, my name is Sahil Kapoor. I have over 16 years of experience working in the IT sector. I'm largely working as a business analyst or a manager business analyst in one of the leading mutual fund organizations of the world. I cannot do away with XLRI, frankly. The mission and vision that they have, I'm totally in line with them. Integrity, yes, that is why it is. Being one of the reputed institutes, I wanted to be a part of it. With the new campus in Delhi NCR, nothing better for a Delhiite. The world is changing rapidly, and we need to know and increase our knowledge. It is said, one who does not learn does not grow. So probably with 16 years, I think it was the right time for me to learn new tactics and probably be prepared for new future business roles. Self-reflecting.